Hi there, I am going to read a poem from my book titled My Own Ways Through This Life. Why do I write poems about nature? I found that by writing poetry, I can communicate with people and describe things more details. I like to write freestyle poems. I can be creative. Nature allows me to feel free and peaceful. There are a lot of things to write about, like how things in nature affect my life. When I was younger, going camping inspired to fall in love with nature. On a cold day with snow on the ground, I feel terrible. On a spring day, I smell fresh air, and I like to stay outside all day. The flowers are growing. I like to write about how nature is changing all the time. Thanks you for listening. If you like my poem, give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.